We will explore the top 7 best Apple photo recovery apps or software in this easy guide, and hopefully, you'll find the one you like the most. Part 1. The best iPhone photo recovery app. Mobican Doctor for iOS. This smart and professional product assists you with recovering your lost or deleted iOS data with or without backup. After a deep and quick scan, you can use it to willfully select the data you want to restore. How to use the best iPhone photo recovery tool to restore your lost or deleted pictures. Step 1. Choose Recover from iTunes Backup File. Step 2. Select the pictures you want to recover. Step 3. Start the iOS photo recovery. Part 2. Other apps to recover deleted photos from iPhone. 1. iPhone Data Recovery. You can utilize iPhone Data Recovery to recover the images without backup. 2. DR Phone Data Recovery. As a great deleted photo recovery iPhone app, DR Phone Data Recovery, developed by Wondershare, is convenient to recover lost photos and other content from an iPhone. 3. Phone Rescue for iOS. Also, Phone Rescue for iOS provides you with 3 recovery modes to restore in just 3 simple steps. 4. Lewo iOS Data Recovery. Despite working for limited data recovery, Lewo iOS Data Recovery is a comprehensive iPhone photo recovery software. 5. TenorShare UltData. TenorShare UltData acts as decent Apple photo recovery software. It empowers you to recover many iOS files, including deleted photos, videos, contacts, images, notes, call logs, WhatsApp or Tango or Kik or WeChat or Viber or Line data. 6. iSkySoft Data Recovery. When it comes to recovering deleted iPhone pictures, software like iSkySoft Data Recovery is worth taking into consideration.